Usually one knocks before opening a door that doesn't belong to them.
Yeah, well, there was really only one way to go in this place. And what is this place exactly?
It's a...
Am I dead? Because if I'm dead, just let me know. No.
You're not exactly dead. You're just...
Well, it looks like I'm dead. Bright lights, long hallways, scary looking weirdo in front of my face.
Elijah Stone, come in and sit down, please.
Alright, so you know my name. You must know everything else about me. Why am I here?
You stole hundreds of thousands of dollars from the college you attended. You loitered and sold merchandise all over campus, which was stolen from small local mom and pop businesses.
Okay, so I'm being punished for stealing?
Do you understand the effect that stealing from the college can have on everyone? You stole scholarship money. Don't you care about anyone besides yourself?
Yeah, well, I have this friend called Me. She's a little bit of a jerk sometimes, but we get along just fine.
Cute.
Yeah, well, some people lost some money. Some people lost a bit more. I don't know. There was a professor who lost a car, but he shouldn't have been so strict on his students. That's how it is. That's life. Black and white. And he was a dick anyway, so he deserved it.
Everyone always tried to help you with this embezzlement problem. Your friends, your family, and you ignored all of them. Why? What for?
Money. Why do you care? And also, they tried to help me. I tried to help them.
With money stolen from scholarship funds.
I've been stolen from before. That's how it is. That's life.
Well, we'll see what you think when we're done here.
Don't you have something better to be doing? Like attending a funeral or standing on Wall Street or something? You know what? This is too weird for me. What's your name?
Azrael, the angel.
Well, Azrael. It's been really nice meeting you, but I'm just gonna use this door over here and see you later. I die? Death by a stack of books?
Yes, it sounds about right for a college student. Hitting the books. Looks like the books hit back.
Haha, very funny.
But no, you're not dead. Not yet.
Thank you, oh great savior.
You really need to work on that. It's because of that attitude that you're here in the first place. You're a good student, a decent hacker. You could be doing some real good out there.
Yeah, well, I just got knocked out by a stack of books, so this is probably some hallucination. And if you could just poof me back to the ground, I'll take it from there, thanks.
Alright, I'll put it like this. Whether you live or die in this situation is up to me. And if you want to live, you're going to have to make some changes. Otherwise, well, you get the picture.
Okay, so what then?
There, Elijah Stone. From now on, whenever you commit illegal, rude, or hateful acts, you will lose the ability to hear everything that the world has to offer. And since things are so black and white to you, you will also only see in black and white. Maybe this will change your mind.
Are you okay? Are you okay?